Hey guys, so I decided to film because I realized that I'm funniest when I'm delirious. And I'm very delirious right friggin' now. Recently, I've taken up something when I'm delirious. It's the saying. I don't know why. It just comes out. I look at myself in the mirror and I go, if you take a bath, you will understand the meaning of life. If you take a bath, it will be epic legit, man. If you take a bath, there will be no pain or sorrow in your life. If you take a bath, it'll be amazing. Just do it. Just go take a bath. I don't know why. I am so tired. Ooh, I stayed up watching movies last night. Don't do that on a school night. No matter how it was amazing. Okay. But anyways, guys, so this week is a new week. It is technically Wednesday, but I wanted to make my video to show it fun. But anyway, so this week I've decided it's gonna be just do whatever you want. I'm too lazy to make up a theme, okay? Don't judge me. So, this week I'm just talking to you guys. And the hiccups. Oh. I think I found out what I need to do for this video. This is amazing. Just the quality of these hiccups. But anyway, so I just want to talk about my high school life right now. I found out some really fun stuff.
The guy, thinks I'm annoying.
I don't understand. Why would somebody think I'm annoying? Because I act like this in real life. I don't get it. I don't. I just don't. The other guy, has a girlfriend. Obviously amazing. And then I might be going to homecoming. I might have a date to homecoming. Depends if Alex can come through for me or not. These are children's scissors. They're safety scissors. These are the only scissors I'm allowed to use. Just kidding, that's a lie. I'm not that pathetic. Oh. That's why I'm not allowed to use real scissors. I don't need you or your brand new Benz or your bougie friends. I don't need love looking like diamonds. Looking like diamonds. But anyways, guys, I'm going to the mall today to go homecoming dress shopping. Like I always am. That was a dress. Bye guys, I love you. Kiss me. Kiss me in the pouring rain. Take me on the sidewalk. You got lint on you. There you go. Wasn't that nice of me to get that lint off of you? I think I see more. Yay! Okay, peace out. I got to go. Bye. If you take a bath, the world will be amazing.